Before we dive into the fascinating world of car restoration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay up to date on the latest automotive stories. As a devoted cinephile with a passion for all things automotive, I'm excited to share with you the story of Mike Coy, the charismatic and skilled painter from Tex, Mex Motors, streaming on Netflix. His life story is a testament to dedication and the art of car restoration. Mike Coy appears as an automobile painter on Tex-Mex Motors, a show that follows the crew of specialists in auto restoration as they scour Mexico for abandoned vehicles, transport them across the border, and meticulously restore them to their original state. Mike Coy, born on April 30th, 1977, has had a long history with motor vehicles, dating back to his high school days. He started working on cars in hot rod workshops and has always been involved with them. He's an avid collector of car magazines and has constructed numerous SEMA vehicles, including some large award-winning ones. Uh, uh, as per Mike Coy's bio on the Discovery Channel site, it was in 1992 that he began honing his skills in automotive work. He's not a novice who has only worked at small local garages. With his experience, he aims to demonstrate his skills and knowledge to you. Prior to appearing on Tex-Mex Motors, Coy had a role in another automotive-themed show titled Fast and Loud. This series enjoyed success for the years between 2012 and 2020 and produced more than 150 episodes. That Gas Monkey Garage, Coy was known for his skills as a painting expert and body specialist during the run of Fast and Loud. Mike Coy is together with Jennifer Apperson, and you can catch glimpses of their shared moments on his Instagram, where he frequently posts heartfelt captions accompanying photos of them enjoying life together. Original hybrid members are able to buy, interestingly, Mike Coy bears a striking resemblance to Jamie Hyneman, a well-known personality from Discovery Channel's Mythbusters. Even though Heineman is known for his distinctive bushy doki and beret, Coy often finds himself being mistaken for the myth-busting legend. Mike Coy has a presence on Instagram, and both seasons of Tex-Mex Motors can be streamed on Netflix. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you next time.